bees working on a honeycomb in an apiary is a fascinating and intricate process that involves both the foraging of nectar and the teamwork within the hive. The journey to obtain honey begins when forager bees leave the hive to collect nectar from flowering plants. These bees have a specialized structure called a proboscis, which is akin to a long straw-like tongue that they use to extract nectar from flowers. Once a forager bee's nectar sacs are full, it returns to the hive and passes the nectar to worker bees through a process called trophallaxis, which is essentially bee-to-bee feeding. The worker bees then chew the nectar, which mixes with enzymes in their saliva, initiating the process of converting it into honey. These bees then deposit the nectar into the honeycomb cells, which are intricate hexagonal wax structures made by the bees themselves. The honeycomb serves not just as a storage unit, but also as a ventilation system. Bees fan their wings, creating airflow to evaporate and thicken the nectar. Over time, as the water content decreases, the nectar transforms into honey. Once the honey is ripe, the bees seal off the honeycomb cell with a wax cap, which preserves the honey for later use, especially during times when food is scarce. This capping is an indicator for beekeepers that the honey is ready to be harvested. In a carefully managed process that respects the bees' hard work, beekeepers remove the frames, uncap the wax-sealed cells, and then use a honey extractor to spin the frames, using centrifugal force to draw the honey out of the comb. The honey is then strained to remove any wax particles and usually allowed to settle before it's packaged to ensure it is clear of impurities. This entire process from forage to bottle is a natural and sustainable cycle, showcasing the incredible efficiency of bees and their vital role in our ecosystem.